Kamusta mga balibulista? Wagyang Signal HD Spikers kontra sa Capital One Solar Spikers 25-19, 25-17, 25-20. Best player of the game si Roslyn Doria sa likod ng kanyang 12 points mula sa 11 attacks at 1 ace. Panalo naman ang Petrogas Angels kontra sa NX-led Chameleons 22-25, 25-23, 25-23, 25-22. Best player of the game si Ivy Perez matapos nagtala ng 6 points mula sa 5 attacks at 1 ace na may kasamang 11 excellent sets. Wagi din ang Akari Chargers kontra sa Strong Group Athletics 25-8, 25-15, 25-16. Best player of the game si Fifi Sharma sa likod ng kanyang 9 points mula sa 4 attacks at 5 blocks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang semifinals Day 1 game schedule ngayong April 30, 2024 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Sa first game, maglalaban ang Creamline Cold Smashers at Chocomucho Flying Titans alas 4 ng hapon. Sa main game, magtutos ang Cheritigo Crossovers at Petrogas Angels alas 6 ng gabi. Heto ang PVL 2024 team standings as of April 27, 2024. Petrogas Angels 9 wins to losses 28 points. Chocomucho Flying Titans 9 wins to losses 26 points. Cheritigo Crossovers 9 wins to losses 25 points. Creamline Cold Smashers 8 wins 3 losses 24 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 8 wins 3 losses 23 points. Signal HD Spikers 7 wins 4 losses 22 points. Akari Chargers 5 wins 6 losses 15 points. NX-led Chameleons 4 wins 7 losses 11 points. Farm Press 3 wins 8 losses 11 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 3 wins 8 losses 9 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win 10 losses 4 points. Strong Group Athletics 0 win 11 losses 0 points. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.